closed for space in your house and you'd like to have something to be able to get the leaves up, well, check out what we were given. This is a rake that you can put just about anywhere because of the fact that it has a small footprint. And as you can see, it has this handle. You just take it and you screw them all together like so. And depending on how big of a side you want, you can make this at any length. Now it comes with everything you need to either to assemble or do anything with. And as you can see, that anything that you do, this would be adjustable. Now the reason why you have to have a screw is pretty simple, because this goes together with a screw, but it gives you everything you need to open it. As you can see, it's all put together. So whether you are 6 foot or whether you are 4 foot, this can be adjusted down to whatever you want. So if you need a rake, get you one of these.